Hello everyone, this is Jarek Destura, and for today, we were going to talk about the pattern in numbers and nature in the world. But before we start our discussion, let's first define what is pattern. In general sense, or to make you better understand the word pattern, pattern is a regular, repeated, or recurring forms or design. As we observe in our surroundings or even in our daily lives, we can see pattern wherever we are or whatever we do. Because pattern is part of our lives and also it can see all over the world. Types of pattern. First is the symmetry. It indicates that you can draw an imaginary line across an object and resulting parts are mirror images of each other. There are two types of symmetry, the reflective and rotational symmetry. Let's first discuss what is the reflective symmetry. Reflective symmetry means that one half of the image is the mirror image of the other half. It also sometimes referred to as line or bilateral symmetry. Examples are the butterfly and us, the human. Second is the rotational symmetry. This means that the object or image can be turned around a center point and match itself some numbers of times. Included in this type are three-fold symmetry, four-fold symmetry, five-fold symmetry, and six-fold symmetry. Here are the examples of rotational symmetry: the flower and the starfish. Second is the fractal. Fractal are created by starting in a simple shape and duplicate it again and again. The example of the fractal is the leaves that you can see in the picture. Third is the spiral. Spiral has universal appeal and has a mysterious resonance with human spirit. It is complex yet simple, intriguing and beautiful. Here are the examples of spiral. Fourth is the tessellation. Tessellation are patterns formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface. The surface arrayed are hexagonal cells in a honeycomb or the diamond shape in a pineapple are natural examples of tessellation patterns. And last is the waves. Waves are disturbances that carry energy as they move. Mechanical waves propagate through a medium air or water, making it oscillates as they pass by. The waves pattern is most often seen when looking at the ocean from above. However, you can also see wave patterns in grass. The wind blows through it.